Some users have been having trouble with battery life on their Galaxy Watch Ultra, which are having excessive battery draining issue. Once it's fully charged, it doesn't hold up for long, drains, and goes away too fast. In this guide, Fix369 will suggest some tips to improve battery life on your Ultra. First of all, just go and open the wearable app to watch settings to battery. In this section, you can see which of the functions or apps are responsible for most of your battery drain issue. Now go back to your watch. Now first of all, you can start with brightness. Let me swipe down. Either you can keep the brightness in control, or tap and hold the brightness settings. And from here, if you want, you can turn on adaptive brightness. And as AOD consumes a lot of battery, if you want, you can turn it off. Scroll down in this section, and from the screen timeout, minimize the timeout if it's set to the longest duration. Now go and open the Samsung Health app. Scroll down till the end to settings. If heart rate and stress are set to measure continuously, if you want, you can set them to manual only. This will save your watch sensors from working continuously, thus saving the battery. Go back to sleep. If sleep tracking is enabled, tap on snore detection if it's set to always, and from your paired device, you can set it to once. And also, background running apps can drain the battery faster than anything. So every now and then, swipe up your watch face, tap on this app switcher, and just select Close All Apps from the bottom. And apart from all this, you can try to use a simple watch face beside any animated or the watch faces that uses a lot of widgets. If manually customizing these settings is inconvenient for you, we get it. What you can try is just swipe down the watch face, press and hold this battery icon, and from here, you can enable power saving mode when the watch usage runs out. But before that, don't forget to check out all these functions that will be disabled when your watch is on power saving mode, a few of which we've already shown. So it's just up to you if you want to enable this. And lastly, we all know software update comes with a lot of bug fixes. And a few users have said software update has helped them fix the battery draining issue. So if you want to try that out, just swipe down or watch face from settings, scroll down from software update. You can make sure if auto update is turned on, or you can just go manually download and install the software update on your watch. If you have any other ways of your own to save battery on your Galaxy Watch, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.